Tamika Carruthers lost her sight in 2007, but that didn't knock her down. She pushed ahead and she acquired the skills of a therapeutic masseuse. And she's here to share her inspirational story. It's so wonderful to have her with us. Good morning, Tamika. Welcome
Good
to Smile
morning.
Tamika. It's morning time. 22 years old, losing sight could not have been easy.
No, it wasn't.
But what made Tamika decide that I have to embrace what has happened to me and I have to make the best of my life?
Because in life, we don't know the future. So as my great-grandmother would say, don't put your eggs in one basket.
Right.
So when one thing happened to you, you just have to try to accept it. Although being blind, it is not easy. It is not a bed of rose.
Yeah.
Out there, society owes us nothing. So we have to move on. And moreover, giving up is too easy. It is too easy to throw in the towel and say, you know, I give up.
Yeah. You used to be at Heart. You were doing one course, then you
Yes.
lost sight, and you said to Heart, look, man, you have to come up with something that I can do.
Yes.
So kudos to them that they responded. What did they say when you called them and said, I still want to come to school, visually impaired or not?
Well, they were surprised that I'm blind because I was one of their best students in Clarendon. I did a chef course with them. So they were surprised that I'm blind first, and they didn't believe it. So they told me to go to 10O Pro, that is
Yeah.
Art College of Beauty Services, and I spent 2 years there doing my training.
So you did your therapeutic masseuse. How difficult was it for you to do that course, being visually impaired?
Well, the instructor, Mr. Richard Martin, he has to do hands-on training. So it's like my hands on his hands on my hands to learn the techniques.
But that's good because you're learning directly from the trainer.
Yes.
That means you're learning
It's a
from...
hands-on treatment,
Yeah?
hands-on training.
Yeah. How long was the course?
It was 18 months, but it ends up in 2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
You're from Clarendon?
Yes.
So you had to travel to come to school?
No,
Okay.
I moved from Clarendon
To Kingston
moved
and then
to
did school
Kingston.
every day. Now
Get rehabilitated and everything like
there are
that.
people who are sighted
Yes.
who complain about school and having to go school, go learn things and it hard and whatever. What were some of the challenges for you?
Well, most of the challenges is transportation, mobility, to move around. But in terms of getting stuff done, whenever I'm in a space, and once you have a vision, you have to have a vision of what you want. Then
Yeah.
you can vision it in your mind and know that this is what I want and I'm going after this. So actually, challenges was just like the sidewalks and transportation and mobility around. That was my challenge.
Well, my darling, you have a powerful story. Ian Boyne, good morning. Her vision is to speak with you on profile. I know you're going to make it happen. Now you have a major challenge because you're going to be massaging Neville. And darling, let me tell you, that back worse than some of the patch road that we have now. So all the best to you.
All right, so you're going to sit like you're sitting on a bike.
Yeah.
Put your hands here,
Like this?
knees here, put your face. Push out your bottom a bit.
Push out my bottom.
Oh, yes. So first you have to do some palpation to know where the tension is.
Ow! You find tension, don't have it?
Yeah, man, you have a lot of tension in the trapezius muscles here.
What kind of muscle that?
The trapezius.
At first, me know me have the muscle there. Oh, me like it.
So we have to...
I would need to do this what, regularly or once?
This is an on-site massage that can be done anywhere. So persons that cannot come to the spa, we
have a pain.
would
Right,
go
this-
to them.
Right there.
Wow,
Tamika.
you have a knot right here.
Right, this is Tamika. You're
Oh,
finding
gosh.
that. The old not reach right, this Tamika.
It is from your everyday sitting down, driving, working.
Ah, right, it's so painful.
So this is the rectus spinatus muscle, and this muscle is tense. So once this muscle is tense, all the muscles tie in together with the trapezius muscle. You will feel pain.
Tamika, me feel I listen to daily, I try to hurt my vegetable, you know.
No. So
Feel-
I'm just going to do a little rotation with the Just relax.
Yeah.
Don't move your hands, I'll move it for you.
Feel good though. So how much would something like this cost me if I wanted to get this?
This is just an on-site massage. We do it anywhere in the office, outside, in the park.
So
anywhere.
you would come to the person?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But I also have somewhere if you want to book for a massage.
I like it. So me feel I listen to Dale doing further on there.
You have a lot of tension in the trapezius muscles, so that's why you're going to feel pain, that stagnant blood not moving.
Stagnant blood?
Yes.
Oh,
So when you work every day and the stiffness comes on, we have stagnant blood not moving, circulation problem.
Oh.
Yeah.
Who lie? I lie, man. When him tell you lie, the neck up on him and everything. We're gonna take a break.
You're spoiling my massage.
Because Mr. can get all of them lion stiffness out and devil is gonna take all day. But isn't she amazing? It's an
Tamika, this is
amazing
brilliant.
story.
Brilliant.
Tamika Carruthers, therapeutic masseuse. So please check her out. She's at Sight and Vision Gifted Hands. Look her up and give her your support. More and smile.
You know.
I hope from now you don't tell no more lie, because it's telling in your neck and your back.
Ah, right this up,
More
Tamika. Right this
smile
again.
after this
Ow!
break.
Right this again.